In 1965, Bridgeport, Connecticut, a young student named Fred DeLuca faced a tuition crisis and borrowed $1,000 from family friend Peter Buck to launch Pete's Drive-In, Super Submarine Sandwiches. What began as a humble initiative to pay for medical school ignited a revolution in fast food. Fresh, made-to-order subs built before your eyes. Within a decade, Pete's Super Submarine Sandwiches became Subway, and franchising took flight in 1974. By the turn of the millennium, Subway was the fastest-growing franchise in history, outpacing even McDonald's. Brands worldwide clamored for a slice of the Eat Fresh promise. But beneath the neon Eat Fresh signs lay tensions. Sheer scale shadowed quality control and fiscal strain. What could possibly derail the world's largest sandwich chain?